Here are 10 ideas that you can implement in your stream right now. Let's start off with the first one, which is actually our sponsor for today's video, Blurb. On Blurb, you can get sound alerts for your Twitch stream. For example, here we have the bit extension, where you can let people trigger sound alerts for bits, like this one. They also have Walk On, which is an extension for Twitch, where you can let your subscribers of tier 1 to 2 or 3, or even the followers, trigger sound alerts when coming into your stream. Then the third tool they have is the channel point tool. With this tool, your viewers can use channel points to trigger sound alerts. So for example, I can activate this, the Mario 1, and they can hear the Mario coin. You can also make buckets, so for example, horror bucket that triggers multiple random sounds out of that bucket. So if you want people to scare you in a horror stream, I definitely recommend this. If you like to use Blurb, I've got a video on how to set it up right here, and if you want to jump in right away, you can do that too with the link down below in the description. So number 2 is changing your webcam shape. Improving your stream is always fun, and how can you make your stream a little bit more unique than somebody else's? Is changing the shape of your camera. You can do this with Webcam Mask, which basically is a black screen, and with white you paint on where you want your camera to be. I've got a video about how this works as well. I leave it down below in the description, because you can only use 5 cards, and I'm gonna talk about 10 things, and a lot of them I do have a video about. The third one is words on stream. Basically, this is a little game that your chat can play. And the cool thing about this is that if you're going away, if you're doing a be right back because you have to go to the toilet, you can put on words on stream and people can play this game while you're not there. So this keeps up the viewer engagement. Then number 4 is Facerig. This is a program that makes you be a VTuber. So you need like a webcam or a camera or your phone. And then if you put that into the program, you become a little avatar. You can make them yourself or choose one of the standard ones. But if you don't like using a webcam, I definitely recommend using this, because then at least people have something to look at. It could also be pretty fun if you normally stream with a camera, that one stream you do as a Facerig character, so you can like spice things up. Then number 5 is stream avatars. This is something I use myself underneath the stream. I show you some footage right now. Yeah, so you see this little avatars underneath. Those are the stream avatars. And these are viewers or subscribers, depending on how you set them on, that are currently in your stream. So people can see themselves back and be actually part of the stream. I do have a whole playlist about how this program works right here. So if you want to set this up, I recommend you check that out. Then we have number 6 is pronouns. I do recommend you add pronouns in your chat. You can do this in OBS, and you can do this in Twitch itself. And this way you know which pronouns your viewers use. This can help them because you're using their proper pronouns, but it also helps you because you can get a more personal bond with your viewers as you know how they want to be called. I do have a video about this too, but again, we can't put all the cards in here, so I'll leave that down below in the description. Number 7, more chat interaction, more viewer interaction. Yes, here we come. It's a clip command. And with the clip command, people can do !clip, and then the command itself makes a 30-second clip of what happened in the last 30 seconds. It's not the most perfect clip because it will be just the 30 seconds. However, at least people will clip a lot easier like this because it's super simple. I do have videos on how to do this in Nightbot, Streamlabs, Streamlabs Chatbot, and Stream Elements. So I'll leave the Stream Elements one here, and if you want to see the rest, down below in the description. Then we have number 8, which is sponsors. This helps you improve your stream because then you can buy new equipment and stuff like that. It's not per se for the viewers, but mostly for, you know, being able to upgrade your things so you can buy things that do improve your stream. But getting sponsors is really, really, really tough. I know, right? But if you use the right brand strategies, it becomes so much easier. And I do have a video on how to get brand deals right here, where I talk with Justin Moore, who is an expert in brand deals. Then number 9 is adding your heart rate on stream. So there's this app called Pulsoid, and with that app, you can actually have your heart rate displayed, which is like, you see the number or there's a visual, you can choose the visual. And what you need is like, you need a little heart rate monitor. They're not super expensive, they're kind of cheap. I'll leave a link to one of them in the description so you can easily find one. And then if you connect it to Pulsoid, you can see your heart rate on stream, which is super cool for horror, just gens, or sports streams. And number 10 is staying organized, because if you know what you want to do that stream, your stream is going to be more entertaining because you don't have to come up with things and there will not be awkward silences. And to get there, to make the perfect stream, what you need is a checklist. What to do before starting your stream. I do have a video about this and a free checklist to download right here, so I definitely recommend hopping into that video with me, and I will see you there. So let's set up your stream and let's make it rock!